So hi Brilliants! Today sisimulan na natin yung ating tour sa kanilang manufacturing plant. And ngayon hahayaan ko siyang magpakilala ng kanyang sarili. So introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Joy. I'm the dietitian and also a product designer. I've been designing a lot of health food, health supplement products, and especially collagen. So I have knowledge about collagen. So today I'll talk about the benefits of collagen and some information about collagen.
Okay, so mamaya, habang naglalakad tayo, itatanong natin sa kanya yung iba't ibang questions na nakuha namin from my social media accounts. Yeah, for now, let's do the tour.
Okay.
Let's go. So, number one, what are the benefits of collagen?
Okay. So collagen is one of the protein our skin that counts the most, which is around 70 to 80% of your skin is collagen. So collagen is definitely a very important nutrition for your beautiful skin. So taking collagen actually has a lot of different benefits. For example, when we are after maybe 25 to 30, your collagen will start to lose. So you definitely want to replenish some more collagen. So it will help your skin to look more firming, plumping. Also, very importantly, it will hold the water, so make your skin moisture. Also, because your skin is moisture, the hydration content is higher, there will be anti-wrinkle effects, brightening effects, whitening effects, and also make the pores smaller. So it's very important to take collagen in your earlier stage so your skin won't age that much.
Okay, so according to her explanation, as we age, yung palagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, bumabagal na yung pag-produce ng collagen ng ating katawan. Actually, our body produces natural collagen, right?
Yes.
But as we age, bumabagal yung pag-produce nun. So we need products to help us kung paano magpo-produce ang katawan natin ng collagen. Kasi kailangan niya ng skin natin, hindi lang ng skin. Kailangan niya ng body natin for our nails, for our hair,
yes.
And marami siyang effect. Pero guys, actually habang sumasagot siya kanina, on my left, medyo I'm amazed. While you're explaining, I'm amazed about this side.
This is actually our automatic warehouse. So as you see, it's running right now. There's no single person, staff, or colleagues in that warehouse. Everything is run by the machine, by the system. So that can make sure the product quality and also reduce the mistake made by human. So this room, I think, can contain thousands of pallets, and then you just put in the code and it will take out or take in the goods you need.
Grabe, goals guys. Nakita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung warehouse nila. Sabi ko kanina malayo na pero sobrang layo pa. Grabe guys, goals. Ang galing. Amazing.
Thank you.
So since you are a product developer, a dietitian, for sure you know a lot about our products. So one of the question is, what are the main ingredients of the Brilliant Collagen?
Okay, so the Brilliant Collagen actually have 5 very important compounds in our product. So the first one, of course, is the collagen. We have 5 grams of marine collagen that is extracted from sustainable fish, and also the molecule size is very small, so good for your body to absorb. The second important ingredient is the baobab extract. So it's actually a superfood which is also called the tree of life, because it can actually store a lot of water. So we extract the very precious compounds from this baobab extract. This ingredient will help you to boost the gene expression of making more hyaluronic acid in your skin. The third one is hyaluronic acid itself. It helps your skin to keep very moisture, hydration content, so it will keep your skin very firm and also reduce the wrinkle. And then the fourth one is the kiwi seed extract. It contains a lot of nutrients, including the good lipid to help you to balance your skin, the sebum and water, also to reduce the inflammation, to prevent the acne. And the fifth one is the Synerging formula, Synerging combination with it, which is pu'er tea and blueberry. And these two will help to boost the gene extraction of your skin moisture.
May I know about the gene expression? Can you tell us more about the gene expression?
The gene expression, okay, so there is a gene that's called AQP3. You can imagine there's like small channel on your skin cells. This gene will open the channel to let the water in, to regulate the water content in your skin cells. So when this AQP3 gene expression is going up, it means that your skin will take more water through this channel, and our baobab extract can actually boost the gene expression of AQP3. Yeah.
Wow.
It's a really good product.
Wow. Yeah, I know it's a really good product. That's why I asked my team if we can go here so we can explain to our consumers kung gaano nga ba kaganda si Collagy. Kasi imagine guys, it's not collagen itself. Makikita nyo naman the way she speaks. Alam na alam niya talaga yung products. Alam na alam nila kung paano nila pinag-aralan yung mga ingredients at kung ano yung mga effect nito, hindi lang sa skin natin, kundi sa ating cells, sa ating genes at sa health natin. So, ayun, narinig natin sa kanya kung ano yung mga pwedeng maitulong sa atin ng Collagy. Kaya, for me guys, hindi ko alam kung anong reason kung bakit hindi kayo bibili ng Collagy. So, marami pa kaming pag-uusapan while nagtutour tayo dito sa kanilang manufacturing.
Thank you.
Next. You're so smart. I don't even my work. My work. Right? So, isa-summarize lang natin yung sinabi niya kanina, and sobrang daming benefits each ingredient. So, there is collagen. Siyempre, alam naman natin kung ano yung collagen, which nagsusupport siya ng skin structure. They have blueberry pu'er tea na nag-stimulate ng hydration ng gene expression na in-explain niya din kanina. Meron din tayong hyaluronic acid and kiwi seed extract, and isa sa mga key ingredients natin is yung baobab extract na nag-improve ng cell vitality. And can you tell us more about the baobab extract?
The baobab extract, this tree is found in Africa, and it is one of the trees in the world that live the longest. Because even though they live in like very dry desert, they still tend to survive. They have very special structure that help the cells to keep so much water in it. So that's why people started to think some secret inside this tree or this fruit. And then the scientists start to do the extraction and found out that they have really good compounds that can help your cells to boost the vitality of your cells. Not even just to open the AQP3 gene expression, but also a lot of anti-gene expression to stop the aging of your cells. So that's why the tree is called the tree of life. Yeah.
Oh, so it's called the tree of life. So, according to her explanations, puro maririnig natin sa kanya is yung anti-aging. So, kung ayaw niyong tumanda, syempre, kailangan we work on ourselves by taking supplements like yung ating Collagy. And sobrang excited pa ako while tinatahak namin tong kanilang areas kasi for sure, mas makikita nyo pa kung paano nila dinevelop yung ating product. Let's go!
Sometimes people will come here and to do the lip as well as have a different decoration.
Oh, okay.
And for the people who like you, also for this room that you can use.
We can use this for live streaming. So, ito daw area na to, meron siyang iba't ibang klaseng paintings. So they have different areas where you can do live streaming. So iba na talaga ngayon, as in, you will work on how you will market a product. So iba talaga yung pag-adapt natin when it comes to marketing. Kasi ngayon, di ba, live stream yung nauuso. So, ayan, meron silang provided area where you can do your live stream. Ang galing. Hindi lang yung product yung na-amaze ako sa kanila, kundi yung structure ng building nila, kung paano nila ito ginawa. As in, sobrang, bawat details, sobrang ganda. And look at these paintings. So, yan daw yung mga raw materials na ginagamit nila sa product nila. And, nasa na yan? Ito, tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Meron siyang mga secret where you can get products. Akin na lang to. Pero grabe, sobrang amazing. So, sa nakikita nyo, yung manufacturer natin ng collagen, hindi siya basta-basta. And for some reason, I know mako-compare nyo siya sa ibang collagen sa market because in the Philippines, there are a lot of cheaper collagen. But as I was always telling to my customers, iba yung quality niya. Nakita nyo naman yung facilities nila, kung paano nila ginagawa yung collagen. And every claims, it is supported by clinical studies, right?
Yes. So, all the ingredients we're using here, the collagen, the hyaluronic acid, and also the baobab extract, the synergic formula, all these behind them are years of research and development by scientists, PhD, doctors, university, hospital. So we are backed up with very strong and firm scientific support.
Yes, so may scientists, PhD, doctors, and not to mention guys, yung company nila ay almost 50 years, right?
Yes. So we have a very strong R&D teams, more than 300 people, and we actually develop products every day. We just want to make sure every product actually works. So I think what makes your collagen stand out from the market is actually the formulation is designed by actual scientists. Also, we make sure each ingredient are having their effects on us, right? Also, we refuse to adding like extra ingredients that might doing harm for you. For example, we don't like to use artificial ingredients, and also we choose the liquid form because it's the best way for your body to absorb it.
Oh, so sinasabi niya guys na yung ating collagen ay pinag-aralan talaga nila, and sinasabi din niya na the best way to take collagen is in liquid form. Kasi nga naman guys, kapag powder, syempre titimplahin mo pa siya, and syempre yung pinanggalingan ng tubig, compatible ba siya dun sa pagtitimplahan mo, and then yung tablet naman, di ba, idadigest pa siya ng tiyan mo. Pero kapag liquid, pinag-aralan na talaga nila that when you intake the liquid form of the collagen, andun na lahat, ma-absorb na siya, i-absorb na lang siya ng katawan mo. Kaya I think yun yung sinasabi niya na kung bakit tayo mag-stand out. Kasi di ba ang dami naman talagang nauusong collagen, but ito yung isang reason kung bakit dapat yung piliin yung ating collagen. And how do you test to people?
Test people?
Yeah.
Okay. There are many ways. So normally, when we do the product, we make sure the product works, right. There will either be a clinical study containing maybe up to 10 people, or even a bigger scale like 30 people or something. But it's very important that we always start from testing the efficacy, so including the cell study, the gene study, and then the human study to make sure every step it actually works. And then of course when we finish the formulation with the flavor, with like really refreshing taste, we will also have people to try the sample, try the product, make sure it's something that you will want to take every day, so it doesn't have like the strong smell of like fish.
Yes.
It's very formulated with a lot of experience using what flavors, what sweeteners, also a healthy formulation that doesn't cause burden to your body.
Wow. So, grabe guys. Habang nag-explain siya, nare-realize ko kung gaano ka-advance yung technology nila. And the way na sinasabi nila on how they are testing the efficacy of the product, sobrang advanced because in the Philippines, hindi naman pero limited pa kasi yung access natin into high-tech technologies like yung mga sinasabi niya. And one more thing na nagustuhan ko nga sa collagen natin is kahit it is made from fish, hindi siya amoy fish. And number 2, masarap yung lasa niya. So, uulit-ulitin mo siya. So, hindi pala ganun kadaling mag-develop ng food supplement. Akala natin, pag nag-develop tayo ng food supplement, kailangan lang yung taste, and then itatry natin sa iba't ibang tao. Hindi. Kasi ang ginagawa nila, they are testing the cell, right? So, very technical kung paano nila inaaral yung content and kung ano yung kailangan ng katawan natin. So, kaya siya pinagtutulungan ng mga scientists, ng doctors, or medical universities. Kasi nga, it's very complicated and kapag gumagawa tayo ng mga food supplement, dapat lagi nating isinasalang-alang yung safety ng consumer. And hindi ako nagkamali sa pagpili ng company nila kasi I remember before the pandemic, dun ko sila nakilala. And sobrang na-amaze talaga ako on how they are doing different products. Kaya excited ako to share this to you guys kasi sobrang sulit talaga ng Collagy. And yung binabayad nyo, yun talaga yung makukuha nyo.
This room is another room that we present, mimic how we do the scientific studies, but it's also for our, you to do the live streaming, to do videos, to market your product.
So kung makikita nyo, mukha lang siyang madaling gawin. Parang kapag dinala mo siya sa Philippines, madali lang siyang gawin. The packaging, yung amoy, yung scent, madaling kopyahin. Pero sobrang madami siyang pinagdaanan. Katulad ng sinasabi niya, they are doing this for how many years, right? Especially when it comes to formulation. So sobrang galing nila. So yung formulation nito, pinesent nila to sa akin. And I think this is exclusive to us, right? Yes, this is exclusive to us kung paano nila kinombine yung mga... Nagsabi lang ako ng mga gusto kong effects sa kanila, then binuo nila yung formulation. So does collagen whiten or brighten the skin?
It actually does because, like I said, collagen is actually very important to your skin dryness, to improve the dryness. And dryness is the basic thing to every skin problem, including the dull or darkness of your skin. So if you can improve your dryness of your skin, it will naturally helps you to brighten or whiten it, to improve the, I'll say, the glowness of your skin. So actually we have a lot of study testing how collagen can help you to make your skin tone to be brightened and whitened. So it actually is something that you can expect.
Oh, you can expect, but sabi nga dito, there is no claim that this collagen will brighten or whiten your skin. However, it helps to make your skin glow, it decreases skin wrinkles, increases collagen density, improves overall skin condition, reduces UVB-induced skin damage, and increases water absorbing capacity of the skin. So kung makikita nyo, medyo less na yung wrinkles ko because of taking collagen, and napakahalaga ng absorbing capacity natin sa water sa ating katawan. Kasi yung, alam nyo ba guys, yung internal natin, nagre-reflect yan kung ano yung itsura mo sa panlabas.